All right, we're going to try this out. Hopefully this works. This is the first time I'm doing it, so let me know. So we'll start with number 9. Maybe, if I can get all of this erased. So the first thing it wants me to do is decide if it's enlargement or reduction. And in order to decide that, we're going to look at our primes. So we know these are our firsts and these are our seconds based only on the fact that they're primes, right? Primes means second. So I'm going from big to small, so that's going to be considered a reduction. And how do I know? It gets smaller. All right, then I need to find the scale factor. So I'm asking, what am I multiplying or dividing by to get from the big ones to the small ones? So I could pick any letter. In this case, I'm going to pick B, just because it's in the positives. So B went from 4, 4 to 2, 2. And I'm trying to figure out what I multiplied or divided by. Well, I divided by 2. So my scale factor is 1/2. Because that just means divide by 2. Also, you can think of it as 2 is half of 4. Okay, so then for our other one, I will erase this. But the first step is going to be to graph EFG. So when I graph EFG, DEF, D is 1, 1. E is 2, 3. And F is 4, 4. So that's the first step, is to graph. The second step is going to be to reflect across the x-axis. Well, remember, this one's our x-axis because it's laying down. You see that x right there? So all I'm doing is counting to the x-axis and beyond. So for D, I do 1 to get there, 1 past. D prime. E, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Whoops, 1, 2, 3, 4. F. And remember, these are all primes because it's after. Then my last step, which I already have done the work, but all you're going to do is look at the rotation rule. So you'll see it's 270 clockwise, or in a counterclockwise, which is the same thing as 90 clockwise. So then I'd look on my green sheet to find this rule, y negative x. And then, so I'm going to take these, I'm going to write y first, negative 1, then negative x, negative 1. Y first, negative 3, negative x, negative 2. Y first, negative 4, negative x, negative 4. Then I can plot those points. Negative 1, D double prime, negative 3, negative 2, E double prime, and negative 4, F double prime. I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any other questions. Again, this rule comes from that green sheet that's taped on your table. So it's really not a difficult problem. You just have to take it one step at a time. Graph it, reflect it, then rotate it. All right, hopefully that helps. Sorry I can't be there to help you in person.